Let me introduce our shoulder immobilizer. First, it's our sling, abduction pillow, and our exercise ball. So first, hold your healing arm, and then bend forward, lowering your arm and letting it dangle. Position the cushion at the waist level on the injured side to keep the elbow in a 90 degrees. Bring waist strap around the patient's back and attaching it with the buckle at the front of the cushion. Then we can adjust strap length and trim as necessary. Then we have to place the forearm into the sling. Place elbow as far back as possible. Attach the forearm strap to the sling and cushion. Then secure the thumb strap on the sling between the thumb and the index finger. The shoulder strap will come from the back of the sling. Wrap across your opposite shoulder and fastens the strap to the clasp on the sling. Adjust the strap to support your arm. After all, place the exercise ball